You did awesome. I can't believe it. Like it looks so easy. I'm jealous. I suffer every time I get that too.
Take your order.
Hi, may I please have a, What's poppin', everyone?
We're in line at Wendy's right now to eat.
Before our tattoo.
Before our tattoo appointment. Which we're early for, somehow. Even though your dumb dog ran away and you didn't want to wake up.
I didn't want to wake up because I was so comfortable.
I'm really afraid that I'm gonna fart while getting tattooed. I'm pretty sure it's happened before.
Like, it has to. How do you avoid that?
But they're like tiny farts, you know? But I'm afraid I'm gonna fart really bad.
They were pretty bad last night. She's been wanting to get... She's been hounding me to get this appointment. You have been saying though for a while.
Yeah.
And I actually did it.
You did it.
I messaged him and I set it up and everything.
It took quite a while.
But I did it.
And you didn't let me proofread your emails.
Why do you need to proofread my stuff?
Because
it looked right?
You were drunk.
No, you're drunk.
I'm excited though. It's gonna hurt so much.
Yeah, especially yours.
Yeah. Did you decide on an arm?
No. Because I have like a burn here,
This
but then I have this bump here. So like...
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, maybe if he tattoos it, it'll pop.
Don't be gross.
So you're getting it on the inside?
That's the other thing. I don't know if I want it in the inside or outside.
Inside.
Inside?
I
You
think
said
so.
outside last time.
I don't know. Look, they're using both windows. You say they never use both windows.
Okay, but like 99% of the time they don't.
They're using both windows.
Hi.
Your order is the BLT crispy chicken for 4 folds. And number 2.
That's the second time in a row that Wendy's doesn't know what the fuck is going on. I'm disappointed. These fries are not even salted. Look at these nuggets. Look at these sad little nuggets. I'm gonna fart.
Do it.
No, not right now. I'm gonna fart. I'm getting tattooed. You want me to go first? You said you did.
I'm not ready.
You're not ready? And I am?
You're always ready. I'm a big boy.
You can do it. You can do it. I'm almost on a sweet side. A beautiful day in sunny South Florida. Wanna go to the beach after this?
Okay, it is on our left. So I guess
On your left.
I will turn left. Passing.
Passing.
Guess I will turn left. That seems like a good idea.
Alright, so do it. Ah! Hi.
Oh, by the way, I did yours also. This is I just changed a little bit of the style of the scales.
Okay.
Also to give it like, the shape is exactly the same, just give the different texture.
Okay.
And I'm gonna do it like as similar as, because I know you like that one.
Yeah, I mean,
So-
whatever you feel is right, you know.
You want to go first? Or?
I'm not
He
sure.
wants me to go
I think
first.
I think she's actually. When I mentioned the flower, I know I didn't really explain that really.
No problem, because I actually have the whole file in Photoshop. We can fix it.
Okay.
So it's no problem.
Yeah, it was more like. This is a really nice shot.
Yeah, it's really cool. I was about to say that.
I'm a little messy right now.
That'd be cool.
What's that? Upside down?
No, he's saying for the snakehead to come a little bit in between, like here.
Yes. I mean, actually, that will accentuate your anatomy. Oh, okay, so yeah, probably.
It's gonna hurt so much.
At least a little.
Maybe.
That I promise. Maybe it's not that bad.
Don't you worry.
I kind of tattoo second nature now, so I told warning.
I don't
That's a
mind
warning.
that at all. I don't mind that at all.
Oh, do you want me to bring you a pillow?
Oh, sure.
Yeah, a little higher. Okay.
Sure.
I grew up in arts. My father was a painter in Puerto Rico, gallery painter. Sculpture, I've done like jewelry, oil painting, animation, computer animation.
Wow, it's everything.
Really of everything. And this tattooing is the most difficult. You know, after 10 years it's more like a second nature thing, but still comparing to other media.
Yeah, I could never. I would be terrified of messing someone up.
Yeah, actually, if you care, you get terrified. Some people don't care, so. This is a little one. It's a cute needle.
No. But now I am. No, I'm kidding. How are you feeling so far? How do you feel? Sleeping. You're handling it like a champ. Gonna make the snake dance.
This is gonna freaking suck.
Yeah.
That looks so nice.
Looks nice. You like it?
Very nice. It looks great.
You want to keep it?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it. Thank you so much.
That's what I like.
Welcome. You were awesome, by the way,
Thank
for
you.
sternum tattoo.
Thank you.
Make it look easy.
You happy?
You ready for yours?
No.
Senor.
No.
Your turn.
Why?
I don't know, a parrot with a face. Okay. Puss in Boots in this time. Actually, that was more for my accent. Johan, he's from Sweden. He's one of the
Really good.
good guys from that corner of Scandinavia. He's one of the best over that area. I don't know if you don't want it too big, but I'm thinking like, oh, like inside. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. This was my first tattoo. I got it when I was like 18 or 19.
That would look like was 3 hours?
Yeah, exactly. And like that was pretty rough, but since then I've only gotten one time.
Oh, it's small.
Like this, so it's been a while. My skin is kind of sensitive.
Okay. So you
Like
swell?
I swell very
Oh,
just
look like a thin skin. I have the very similar skin. I swell like hell. Symmetric?
yeah.
Because your arm goes bigger that way, but
The rock and roll, the metal life.
I still don't understand how Ozzy's still around.
Who?
Ozzy Osbourne?
Oh.
How you feel? You're suffering.
I want to say suffering. Like 2 steps below it though.
So pretty. You like it?
Yeah.
How about the fully set?
Of what?
It looks amazing.
Yeah, I love it, man. Yeah, man.
That was an extremely fun one.
Nice.
Glad you had fun.
Are you real happy with your tattoo?
Yeah.
I'm happy with mine too, but I can't show it off right now.
I mean, you can, just you can't publish it.
I guess.
Do you like yours?
Yeah.
This guy was really good.
Yeah, he was so friendly and professional.
Yeah, and I always feel like a little awkward because it takes so long, and I'm like, I don't know what to talk about and shit like that. But like, I don't know. Yeah, like you said, he was friendly. It was just a nice overall time.
What do you want to eat? Why do you keep saying things that I can't put in my video? You want Waffle House?
Give me a W. Yeah.
Okay. Me too. Me too.